How to increase your credit card limit on Bank of America. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to increase your credit card limit on Bank of America. So there are actually three ways to actually increase or actually request for the increase on your credit card limit on Bank of America. So first thing, just that is, you might as well automate increase. That is, Bank of America may offer an automatic credit line increase based on your account history and responsible credit card usage. So this often happens within the first 6 to 12 months of opening your account if you have been making on-time payments, that is. So second method is online request. So you just have to log into your Bank of America online banking account and just navigate to your credit card account and look for card details section in the account summary. So once you do that, if eligible, you will find a request a credit line increase link on the form, and you just have to follow the prompts on the form, providing necessary information like your annual income, employment status, and monthly housing payment details. And the third option, your third choice, is phone request. So if you don't see the option online, call the customer service number on the back of your credit card, which is usually there, and you can inform the representative that you like to request a credit line increase and just prepare to provide details about your income, employment, as well as housing payments. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.